Aldona MLA Carlos Ferreira has strongly criticized the Goa government and police over their action following a viral video allegedly showing a foreigner soliciting customers for prostitution. Ferreira termed the action illegal and wrong, stating that sharing such a video falls under the right to freedom of expression guaranteed by Article 19 of the Constitution. He said the incident exposes deeper issues in Goa's tourism sector, calling it a failure of the state's tourism policy and warning that it may be just a tip of an iceberg. The MLA urged the government not to suppress such realities but instead acknowledge the situation on the ground and take corrective steps. He stressed that restoring Goa's image requires transparency, accountability, and strong policy action. The statement comes amid growing debate over law enforcement and tourism-related concern in the state.
What do you have to say about the video which went viral of a foreigner woman virtually soliciting customers for prostitution?
This is something very ugly and condemnable. But sadly, this is a reflection of how low our Goa tourism has reached. This is just the tip of the iceberg. More will come out. On a daily basis, we get news, videos and messages of tourists causing ruckus, abusing people, driving or riding roughly and landing up with accidents in gutters or on other vehicles, in the middle of the roads, on the medians, wherever it is. This is going on a daily basis. And do you wish to tell me that open prostitution is not going on along the coastal stretches, especially in northern belt?
The police registered offence against the person who uploaded the video. What is your comment on this?
The action of the police is totally flawed. Perhaps the police registered the offence on a direction of some higher up or some political master. Firstly, don't forget, a customer cannot be booked under immoral traffic. So those so-called customers cannot be booked or arrested at all. Secondly, what we saw was a woman soliciting for prostitution in a public place. This is what needed action. The right to information is now recognized as a fundamental right, guaranteed under Article 19 of the Constitution. Now, what was the person who was recording the video doing? This person was apparently not seeking anything from the woman. He was just recording what was going on. Perhaps he might have been intending to do it. Perhaps he might have had a try and might have been rebuffed. I can't say anything about him. Or perhaps this person may have been shocked to find a woman openly soliciting for prostitution. Maybe he was confirming what he knew, or perhaps just enjoying the fun which his friends seem to be indulging. Now he uploaded this video, and for this he has been booked. Is there any obscenity in this video? What offence can this video convey or matter which may deprave a mind of an individual? This video should have been taken as an eye-opener. This video should have been taken as an acceptance of what is actually going on in Goa, and for this reason the tourists have heard that women are easily available in Goa, and probably they must be thinking, I know once somebody said it was his dream before he got married to sleep with a white woman, so he had come to Goa. And they may have picked up this tab. Personally, I don't see any offence in recording of the video nor its uploading. On the contrary, I view the action of the police as an illegal act. The registration of the FIR when no cognoscible offence is made out shows the police have not applied their mind but put on a mission to protect their political masters and save them from embarrassment.
What do you mean by protect their political masters and save them from embarrassment?
Firstly, such incidents bring bad name to the image of Goa. So everyone from the Chief Minister to the Tourism Minister will not wish to have such videos circulating online. Goa is already facing huge backlash in its failure of the tourism policy, and the buck stops with the government. The government has empaneled influencers apparently to boost its image. Goa's tourism was flourishing without these influences, and we are wasting money with them. And so they try to show a beautiful Goa, and that all is well. But look at those not on the panel of your influencers. They are making reels after suffering some bad experiences. Of course, there are others who have enjoyed Goa and made some good reels who are not even influencers. And they have said how beautiful places, how they have gone, how people have been nice, how people have been like genuinely welcoming. They have said it. Of course, an argument can be made that these people who are trying to attack Goa or show Goa in bad light are being paid or hired by rivals to bring down the image of Goa. Maybe it could be true in some cases, but not in all cases. In some cases, we see people expressing their own lifetime experience and shock that they have got in Goa. The government needs to wake up and not pretend that all is honky-dory. You are fooling yourself. Yesterday, I saw a video of a gentleman called Manuel Cardos, whom I am told is a shack owner, and he has said that the image of Goa as a preferred tourist destination has taken a hit in recent times. According to him, political interference and decisions have contributed to this decline, affecting the overall perception of the state among travelers. Politicians have ruined tourism totally, and the entire state will suffer due to these. These are his words. Now, why did I say safe from embarrassment? Very simple. For all these illegal and immoral activities to be allowed to happen, there has to be a hafta collection going on. Shack owners, nightclubs, restaurants, water sports operators and other tourist business operators complain that nothing works without hafta, which means greasing the palms of someone or the other. Secondly, some of these politicians or party workers themselves are involved in the illegal or immoral trades and or taking money. They fear that they may be exposed. I mean, the government fears that this entire chain may be exposed. So what to do? Shut these people up. Silence them. Remember in Hitler's time, if you exposed Hitler or the Nazi, you were silenced. Frighten them so that they delete the videos and to send this kind of message to others not to upload any negative reels about Goa. This will end up being counterproductive.
What is your suggestion?
I think Goa tourism needs a revamp. The tourism ministry, not the department. I repeat, the tourism ministry needs to identify those corrupt officials in the department and crack the whip. And the Goa police needs to sensitize its officers and lower constabulary as to handling of such situations and avoiding controversies which will further damage its image and image of Goa. Also, there needs to be a crackdown on the hafta collection, which is long overdue.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.